Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can update your laptop or PC motherboard BIOS in only a few simple steps. So first of all, head over to search bar. Now search system information. Click on the first result. Now here we are looking for BIOS version and date. It's right here. So if your BIOS are updated to the latest version, there is no need to update them again. But if they are not, look for the system SKU. Now here you will find your motherboard info. You just have to simply search this on Google. In my case, it was Esperion 7520. So I'm going to search it. Now click on the first link. Now scroll down a bit and click on find drivers. Now here you will find Dell Esperion 7520 system BIOS. Click on download. Now it should start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Now open up that file. As I already updated the BIOS, I won't do it again, but you must connect your AC power adapter if you're on laptop. The installation should start automatically and your BIOS should be installed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.